it's Rodney Hicks here. Just got done fishing for the day. Just wanted to talk to you guys very quickly about kayak fishing and how we measure our fish. We got a 5-fish limit and we measure our fish in inches, not pounds, but in inches. And we use something we call a Hawg Trough to do that, or a bum board. So what I have right here is a product that I just got my hands on several weeks ago. I've been using it since I've been going out, and let me tell you, it's definitely a game changer for me, and it's definitely, I guarantee you, it's the last bum board that I'm going to buy. The bum board that I'm talking about here is the Ketch Products bum board. Super durable. The thing is made out of aluminum. It's super heavy, but it's definitely reliable, and it's definitely going to be the last Hawg Trough that you want to buy. Things here's about this here, it does not float. A lot of kayak anglers still uses the plastic Hawg Trough, which you can put some type of float tube underneath the bottom of it and it stay on top of the water for you. It won't sink. But this thing is definitely going to sink like a sack of rocks. But they have 2 holes right here. You can tie up some type of lanyard to it, keep it in a boat. The measuring system is what I really like about this thing. With the regular bum boards, you have to take a permanent marker and trace down a line so you can get a measurement on the fish when we see it in our phones to get the proper measurement of the fish. This right here is already stitched in for you. No more the nasty marker marks, no more getting the ink on your hand, or no more of that ink fading after a few uses because wet fish and water been getting all on the board. So this right here is definitely going to do the job for you. It's by a company called Ketch Products. Now it goes all the way up to 26 inches. I fish for bass and bass only. So 26 inches, if I catch a bass that's more than that, I'm the luckiest guy on the face of this earth. But it's going to give you exactly what you need. You can either buy the bum board by itself, you can have a little cradle that comes with it, you can buy it as a combo pack. But yeah guys, just wanted to tell you guys, if you interested in checking it out, head over to Ketch's website. Definitely made in the USA. Great company, great guys who run the company, and it's American made. So get your hands on a Ketch bum board. It's Rodney Hicks, guys. Thanks for listening. Signing out.